What's up now? What's happening? I've been outside your gate for more than 5 minutes.
I'm sorry, baby. Give me 5 more minutes. I'll be out soon.
Oh, okay. Be fast. Who this women self, eh? This man! Agiriba! Choka! Hey! Wanyagi, now you be this? Nah, Choka, now you be this, Choka. Agiriba, you're looking good.
Choka, I'm looking good. Choka, you said I am looking good, Choka. Choka, it's not your fault, eh? I don't blame you. I blame poverty that has decided not to leave me alone. Eh? There is no problem, Choka. What do you come to do in this area?
Agiriba, I came to see one of my guests.
You came to see one of your girls.
Just one, oh.
Nah, Choka, you have made it too.
Do that.
Choka, you see that you have made money. Choka, show me the way now.
Agiriba, me, show you way.
Yes.
Agiriba, don't be you they carry first for class that time. You they write the results, they can that time exam you go the cover book. You go the cover book, no no copy you.
Choka, leave that one. Choka, but show me way one. Show me way. One cut soup for me. Cut soup for me, my brother. Now look, Choka, look at you now. Choka, like the moto. Choka, see the way you dey fresh. You be.
Come, let me tell you something. Man. Just continue selling your pants. Eh? You will grow big in the industry.
I should continue selling my pants. Now, Choka, cut soup for me now. One day I've suffered. One day I've suffered. I think I'm a fool. Cut soup.
Agiriba, what did happen? You won't come the charm now. You won't come the shout for me.
Hey, babe. I'm sorry.
How are you?
Choka, I should sell my pants.
Agiriba, just shift someone so you will not spoil my car.
I should shift so that I will not spoil your.
Agiriba, my good friend.
Hey! So I need Choka, they use play. I don't blame Choka now, I don't blame you. Choka. If not be waiting poverty, they do me Choka if I don't get money.
Yeah, this God.
Even get mine. They carry get one of the crush on for years.
If you do that one.
Choka just drive and come out because he get Benz.
Oh my God.
Well, now one day I'm a party. I will make money one day. I'm a party.
Hello? See, just follow the steps I told you to take. I've been making money through that way since. You will cash out well. Eh? It's very little. It's a very smart thing. Just follow the process I told you to follow. This one not be small picking money. It's not like other people. You will get your money well compared to what other people are giving you. It is too much. Ego mute, serious money. No, my man.
I said it. Eh? So now even blood money Choka they do. They take the guy for me. Meanwhile they do legit. Choka, a ritualist. And you even get the mind to even disrespect me earlier today. I got phone now, don't worry. Can go in there first. Good afternoon.
How may I help you?
Yeah, I'm Officer Muboy, and this is my colleague, Officer Carlo Pikin.
Okay, how may I help you?
Are you Mr. Chuka?
Yes, please.
Sir, you're under arrest.
Even road to go to work and no day.
What is my crime?
For killing innocent people for money ritual. Bam! Arrest him!
Me? Where did you get such false information from?
You were not informed too.
Yes, I gave them that information.
What?
Officer, arrest this man.
Agiriba.
Overheard this man talking to somebody on phone about the ritual money and their next move to kill another person. Arrest this man.
I just say he gave Benz.
Officer, yes.
So the money ritual they do.
Yes, for this hard time.
Come on, no, wait. Yes, I own the Benz, but I don't do money ritual.
The money ritual they do. Arrest this man.
Now, this is Agiriba, the #1 illiterate in this community. He's also an envious man. I'm a very good businessman, and I also bet with 1xBet.
1xBet?
1xBet is a betting platform that gives you the best betting odds. Yes. And 1xBet changed my life.
Yes. So wait. So now 1xBet they give you all this money where they shop.
Of course.
Nah lie. Officer, this guy is a ritualist. Arrest him.
My money is legit. You can even become a millionaire and even a billionaire by playing 1xBet and by using my promo code.
Oga, you are under arrest. For you to tell an officer of the law to come and arrest someone without a proof, you're under arrest for defamation of character. And wasting our precious time of an officer of the law. Bam!
But officer, I was trying to help.
Shut up! Arrest that man!
say they why?
What is that thing say ritual money they do now? What is that thing say ritual they do? Come on, move. Chuka, tell me your promo code now. One day make I become millionaire.
I slap you. Come on, let's see what's with the promo code. Come on, they go.
The gas.
You never forget the promo code, no, nah.
You know they see my rank. Why I go forget that kind of thing?
Oh my God.
Move.
You be
Move
mumu.
it, Lord.